Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do for this Cyber Monday. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe at home. Holiday rush is on right now, guys. This will be going out pretty fast, selling out. Click the link, check them out, see what the goodies they have. This comes from Elegear, Luxurious, Faux. Can't even say it, it's too late. Fox Forks, whatever it is, fur pillow cover. Yeah, say that 30 times. Take a look inside. What did I have in my room? Show you the pillow, how it looks. It's been a long 24 hours for me, so bear with me, guys. I might lose my voice in and out of this video, but this is the last video of the day, night. Ooh, look at this. Kind of matches that blanket. Return file, we don't need that. There we go. Good to go. Oh, that's something cool. Oh, it's two pillow covers. Alright, so you get two of them. Bada boom. Ooh. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna hop into my room right about now. Guys, here it is. Right on the pillowcase, right there. Really nice. I don't know if you guys can see it that good. Here we go. And here's the back. Boom. There's the other one. So it's going to match perfectly with that blanket. And there you go. So check them out. Elegear. Available now. Get them before they sell out. Be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.